shotgun this sparkling water.
Without burping.
Yep. It tastes horrible. You may look better than me, but can you chug a can of sparkling water without burping? Oh, what's happening?
I hate this. I'm gonna chuck it.